Hi, hello. I'm Catherine Estan, 51 years old and a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Physical Education, Health, and Music. I also continue my master's and completed academic requirements for Master of Arts in Education, specialized in Educational Administration. And since I am already in my 26 years in teaching in one of the public institution here in Zamboanga City, which is I am a secondary teacher, I decided to pursue my studies also in Master of Arts, specialize in special education because it's more appropriate for me to have this more knowledge on how to give appropriate accommodations and be able to design craft individualized educational plan for diverse learners. So as a teacher, I also establish a class wherein I see to it that my students will be interactively collaborating with one another in the different activities that I provide to them because I'm a teacher who prefers to have a class that is an interactive class wherein I wanted to see my students busy, enjoying working with their task, and at the same time learning and be able to socialize also with their classmates. I am a proactive teacher. Before the school year, I have to establish relationship with my students. That is why I have to set rules and I include them in setting rules so that they become more conscious on how they will deal with all of the rules that we have created and these are best practices that I have because it makes my student more comfortable and we are able to have a good communication because I gave them the opportunity to express and share what would also they like to have in our class. So I am giving them also freedom to do their choice so that they will also be able to appreciate the belongingness and be able to feel the sense of equality within my class because that is one most important key for a class to be more productive, that students will really learn. And that is how I do my teaching. Those are the qualities that I would like to share with my students, the culture that we have here in the Philippines on how we give one another the privilege to showcase what talents that they have, the skills that they have. And being a special education teacher currently, I was able to develop also my skills in crafting individualized educational plan. For you, I hope I was able to give you clear informations of how I am as an educator. May God bless us all. Thank you.